Hey, welcome to my channel, The Gourmet Home Guide. In this video, we try to help you find out the best firm mattresses on the market. If you want to see their latest prices and more images and find more details, you can check out those links in the description below. Let's see the product one by one. Number 1. Purple Mattress. The Purple Mattress is an innovative and comfortable sleep solution designed to enhance rest and relaxation. Utilizing a unique hyper-elastic polymer grid, the mattress adapts to your body's contours, providing optimal support and pressure relief. This grid promotes airflow, maintaining a cool sleep environment. The Purple Mattress offers a balanced feel, accommodating various sleep positions. Its motion isolation properties reduce disturbances, making it suitable for couples. The durable and high-quality materials ensure longevity, backed by a 10-year warranty. With a stylish and breathable cover, the Purple Mattress combines technology and comfort for a rejuvenating night's sleep. Upgrade your sleep experience with this cutting-edge mattress that prioritizes comfort and support. Number 2. Casper Wave Hybrid Mattress. The Casper Wave Hybrid Mattress is a luxurious sleep solution that combines advanced technology with premium comfort. Designed with targeted gel pods, it offers ergonomic support, contouring to the body's natural curves for pressure relief and optimal spinal alignment. The innovative AirScape 3 technology enhances breathability, ensuring a cool and comfortable sleep environment. The hybrid construction incorporates supportive springs for added durability and reduced motion transfer, making it ideal for couples. The Wave Hybrid is suitable for various sleep positions and features a plush, moisture-wicking cover for a cozy feel. Casper's commitment to quality is backed by a 10-year limited warranty. Elevate your sleep experience with the Casper Wave Hybrid, providing the perfect blend of support and luxury. Number 3. Leesa Sapira Hybrid. The Leesa Sapira Hybrid Mattress is a premium sleep solution that seamlessly combines advanced technology with luxurious comfort. Its hybrid design incorporates pocket springs and memory foam layers, providing optimal support, pressure relief, and motion isolation. The individually wrapped coils promote airflow, ensuring a cool and comfortable sleeping surface. The responsive foam adapts to your body's contours, while the edge-to-edge support enhances durability and stability. The Sapira Hybrid is suitable for various sleep positions and features a seamless, 4-stripe cover for an elegant touch. Leesa's commitment to social responsibility is reflected in its philanthropic efforts. With a 100-night risk-free trial and a 10-year warranty, the Leesa Sapira Hybrid is a high-quality mattress designed for a restful and rejuvenating sleep experience. Number 4. Tuft and Needle Mint Mattress. The Tuft and Needle Mint Mattress is a luxurious sleep solution crafted for enhanced comfort and support. Featuring 3 layers of high-quality, adaptive foam, it provides optimal pressure relief and proper spinal alignment. The added graphite and cooling gel in the Mint mattress contribute to temperature regulation, promoting a cool and comfortable sleep environment. The responsive foam adapts to your body, ensuring a personalized and supportive feel. Its breathable cover adds to the overall airflow and softness. With a medium firm feel, this mattress is suitable for a variety of sleep preferences. Backed by a 100-night sleep trial and a 10-year warranty, Tuft and Needle Mint Mattress offers a premium sleeping experience with a focus on quality and customer satisfaction. Number 5. The DreamCloud. The DreamCloud Mattress is a luxury hybrid sleep solution designed for optimal comfort and support. Combining layers of premium memory foam and individually encased coils, it offers a balanced feel with contouring support. The Eurotop quilted cover adds a plush touch, while the gel-infused memory foam promotes temperature regulation for a cool sleep surface. The reinforced edge support maximizes the usable sleep surface and ensures durability. Suitable for various sleep positions, the DreamCloud mattress provides a medium firm feel. Backed by a generous 365-night trial and a lifetime warranty, it reflects the brand's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a restful and luxurious sleep experience.